Okay, we're here at the Hershey show, and I gotta be honest with you guys. The Hershey show was full. We had all the product in there, and we said, look, wait, there is one unit you have got to squeeze in here. We got to get this unit in here. Finally, we just got it in. We kind of nestled it between two other units. It's the newest in the lineup, the 19 RBM, okay? Now the RBM IBEX only weighs 4,000 pounds. You can see behind me here, it does have, you know how to recognize an IBEX, that giant front window, 60 by 22 front window, rock guard, black diamond plate protection on the front. People often ask, why do you use rock guard? Why do you use black rock guard on the front? And I say, well, it's not because it looks cool, even though it does look cool, but we use black because when you're on your adventure and you're moving east to west or west to east in the sunset, and you have silver diamond plate, it's gonna reflect in your rear view mirrors. That's all you're gonna see driving down the road is that silver diamond plate. So just those minute details are some of the design things that we think about when we're developing your next adventure. And this IBEX 19 RBM is not gonna disappoint you. Let me show you a couple things. Please take notice, you've got this beautiful automotive wrap. This is our cinder wrap. We've got our wraparound IBEX here at the top, right up there, and that's how you can always identify the IBEX product, by the IBEX goat. You've got your beautiful light blue on the outside and the cool blue on the inside that kind of tie hand in hand together, ties the door back and gets stuck or breaks off. This thing, wherever you put it, is where that door is gonna stay. They all come integrated with this nice screen. This is all standard equipment here, and then inside, as you work your way inside, you've got this great solid step, okay? No cheap chintzy steps on this thing. So whether you're off the pavement, on the pavement, when you go inside or outside, you've got a solid footing. So when you step inside this thing, you know you are getting into a high quality adventure camper. Now, the 19 RBM, people kept asking us, okay, we need a small camper. It has to be under 5,000 pounds, okay? It has to be able to take us where we want to go, okay? And it has to have all the standard things that people love about the IBEX. So we said, hey, the RBM is what we're gonna come up with. And notice in here, this is the first we're showing it, the 2023 interior. We call this the cinder interior, okay? And you can see this live edge butcher block style countertop. You know, you've heard me say it before, but we wanna bring the outside inside, and this is one of the ways that we do that. We've got this beautiful decorative lighting that you'd see in a much higher end product than this. These glass inserts on all of our overhead cabinets. But it's not just about the things you can see, it's also about the things you can't see. The IBEX is produced with an all aluminum cage construction with Asdel material. That's how we get such a big living space for only 4,000 pounds. That's really important. In the RBM, it's all about the living space in the kitchen area. And in this galley, I just want to point out a couple of things to you. You've got this huge 18-inch deep bowl, stainless steel, dark sink that matches. See all these accents, they kind of match and tie in together. You know, for us, it's all about the details. It looks great, accenting that butcher block material. A couple of things that we do in the IBEX. You see how this is recessed? Okay, a lot of units in this price point where the IBEX sits, this is going to be an elevated surface, so you're going to lose that countertop space. In an IBEX, it's completely recessed. You could still use this as a prep area. Let me tell you another little secret, okay? These units that put this little oven in here, a 17-inch oven, you can't put a turkey in there. You can't even put a Cornish hen in there, okay? In this convection microwave, this thing cooks, bakes, grills, you name it, anything that you need to cook, you can cook in this convection microwave. Why do we use it? Because it's better, and it saves space, so you don't have to have a microwave and an oven. We combine it so you can maximize your storage space. Why don't you see it out there? Well, because it costs a little bit more money, but we want to pass along the best features to our customer that we possibly can. The convection microwave is one of those things. Right down here, check this out. Underneath this great big giant fridge, you're not gonna believe what this is. Now, there's only one thing that really sucks about IBEX, and that's our central vacuum system. but I just want to tell you, you're not going to find that in any other product except for our IBEX here, and you're going to want to check that out. Try it out yourself. It works beautifully. Just don't let it suck your shoe right up in there, okay? Follow me around here. I want to show you a couple other things. Now, I'm gonna sit down here just for a second, but then I'm gonna demo this for you. You got to see how comfortable this is. You've got this sofa, okay? Standard sofa. Now, this is everything you see in an IBEX is standard. Things like 20,000 BTU furnace, 15K AC, okay? All standard equipment. 12-volt televisions, okay? But with this sofa, what makes this great, it's a multi-purpose vinyl material, but this folds flat and you have a full 80-inch bed behind me. Check out this cool adventure map. We put this adventure map in here to track your adventures. It comes with 10 little IBEX, so you can track at least your last 10 adventures. And then, you know, you can start over and add more stickers to it. But let me show you how this works. When we fold this flat, and this bed comes down, what you got. Now, you may think this looks like a mattress and 3 pillows, but to me, this looks like a great night of sleep. If you're laying in this bed and you're looking straight up at the sky, you can see the stars at night. You can see we do have these really cool pillows that we include with every IBEX as well. But no better way to camp off the grid. The 19RBM, check us out, forestriverinc.com/IBEX. The 19RBM, there's not a lot of them out there. They're rare, just like the IBEX is, just like the IBEX Animal. But look hard, you may find one out there. Come check us out.